Hi, welcome to my journey. This is Miss Carr, and I am inviting you to learn with me. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello, today we will answer some word problems and we will apply our skills and knowledge about dividing integers in real life scenarios. On a certain day, the temperature changed at a rate of -2 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. How long did it take for the change in temperature to be -14 degrees Fahrenheit? Okay, so ang aalamin natin is gaano katagal or ilang oras bago mabawasan ng 14 degrees Fahrenheit yung temperature. Okay? So, sinasabi dyan na per hour, nababawasan siya ng 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin yung -14 at -2 para malaman natin yung number of hours. And the answer is 7. So, dahil kada oras, nababawasan ng 2 degree Fahrenheit. So, ibig sabihin negative kasi nababawasan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin 7 times na mangyayari or 7 hours ang lilipas bago mabawasan ng 14 degrees Fahrenheit or -14 degree Fahrenheit. Okay? Christelle's dive ended -28 meters from the starting platform. Christine's dive ended -7 meters from the starting platform. How many times farther was the end of Christelle's dive than the end of Christine's dive? Okay, so alamin natin kung ilang beses daw na malayo or mas malayo yung dinive ni Christelle dun sa end ng dinive ni Christine. Okay? So, what we need to do is to divide -28 and -7. Alright, why negative? Kasi, di ba, when you dive, nasa ilalim ka. So, that's why both of them are negative. Okay? So, to divide that, the answer is 4 times. So, ibig sabihin, 4 times or 4 na beses na mas malayo yung end na na-dive ni Christelle kay Christine. Dropsy swam underwater for 9 minutes. Altogether, she swam 180 feet underwater. What was the change in elevation during each minute? Okay, so ang alamin natin is yung ilang feet yung ibinababa ni Dropsy kada minuto. Okay? Ang sabi dito, nagsiswim siya for 9 minutes and ang total feet na puntahan niya underwater is 180 feet. Okay? So, to get the answer, we need to divide -180 by 9. -180 kasi nga underwater siya. Okay? And then, nahatiin natin yan sa 9 kasi we need to find out kung ilan yung ibinababa niya kada minuto. Okay? So, the answer is 20 feet yung ibinababa niya every minute. That's why it's negative kasi nga ibinababa. Okay? Nasa ilalim pa rin siya ng water. Jenny withdrew $240 from her bank account in 6 months. How much did she withdraw each month? Okay, so alamin natin is kung magkano daw yung wini-withdraw ni Jenny kada month kung ang na-withdraw niya in total after 6 months is $240. Okay? So, gagawin natin, we need to divide -240 by 6. -240 kasi nga, yan yung total na na-withdraw. Ibig sabihin, nabawasan dun sa bank account niya. Okay? Divided by 6 kasi 6, i-divide natin sa 6 na buwan yung 240 na na-withdraw. Okay? So, in short, kada month, ang nababawasan sa bank account niya is $40. So, the answer is -$40. Again, negative kasi yan yung nababawasan kada month. The basketball team lost their last 8 games. They lost by a total of 40 points. What is the average number of points lost per game? Okay, so yung hanapin natin is yung points na natalo ng basketball team per game. Okay? They have, in total, 8 games at yung total points na natalo nila is 40 points. So, ang gagawin natin is hahatiin natin yung natalo na 40 points sa 8. So, we have now -40 divided by 8. -40 kasi, yan yung points na natalo nila. Okay? Natalo, so, negative. by 8 kasi hatiin natin sa 8 yung natalo. So, the answer is negative 5 points per game. So, ibig sabihin, merong 5 points silang natatalo per game. Okay? Kaya negative, again, kasi natalo. Dominic was playing golf. He had a record of negative 6. The next time he played, he decreased his score by half. What was his score this time? Okay, so, ang sabi dyan, ano na daw yung score ni Dominic after niya maglaro, and sabi na decrease daw ng by half. So, ibig sabihin, nabawasan ng kalahati. So, yung negative 6, ni-divide natin ng 2, and the score now ni Dominic is negative 3. So, yan yung kalahati ng negative 6. A football team was penalized 80 yards in 4 plays. Suppose the team was penalized an equal number of yards on each play. Write an integer that gives the number of yards for each penalty. Okay, so yung nangyari, na-penalize yung football team ng 80 yards dun sa 4 na laro nila. Okay? So yung tinatanong is, ilan yung number ng yards na na-penalize sa kanila kada play. Okay? So yung gagawin natin, negative 80 divided by 4. Negative 80, that is the penalized 80 yards. Negative kasi nga penalty. Okay? So, babawasan dun sa points nila. And then, divided by 4, kasi hatiin mo sa 4 yung 80 kasi gusto mong malaman yung na-penalize sa kanila kada laro. Okay? So, the answer is negative 20 yards per play. So, 20 yards yung na-penalize kada laro. On a certain day, the temperature changed at a rate of negative 3 degrees Fahrenheit per hour. How long did it take for the change in temperature to be negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit? So, ang nangyari, kada oras, nababawasan yung temperature ng negative 3 degrees Fahrenheit. So, ang tinatanong is, ilang oras ang makakalipas bago maging negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit yung change o yung nabawas dun sa temperature. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin yung negative 15 sa negative 3. And the answer is 5 hours. So, ibig sabihin, it takes 5 hours bago magkaroon ng change na negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit or bago mabawasan ng 15 degree Fahrenheit yung temperature. A sprinkler was negative 10 feet below ground level. Ayesha has a machine that digs negative 2 feet at a time. How many digs does she need to make to reach this sprinkler? Okay, so yung nangyari sa scenario nito is merong sprinkler na nandun sa negative 10 feet below the ground level. So, negative siya kasi nga nandun siya sa ilalim. Okay? And then, merong machine si Ayesha na nagdidig or nangguhukay ng 2 feet at a time. Okay? So, negative yung 2 dyan kasi nga mapupunta sa ilalim or kasi naghuhukay. Okay? So, yung tanong, ilang digs yung mangyayari bago ma-reach or bago maabutan yung sprinkler sa ilalim. Okay? So, we need to divide negative 10 by negative 2 and the answer is 5 digs. Okay? Bago maabot yung sprinkler na nandun sa ground or nasa ilalim ng ground. During a 12-hour period, the temperature dropped 48. How many degrees did the temperature drop each hour? Okay, so ang nangyari, bumaba ng 48 degrees yung temperature during 12-hour period. So, yung aalamin natin is ilang degrees yung ibinababa kada oras. Okay? So, what we need to do is to divide negative 48 by 12. Negative 48 kasi nga yan yung ibinaba niya. Okay? That's why it's negative. By 12, i-divide natin by 12 kasi hatiin natin yung 48 ng 12 kasi gusto natin malaman yung ibinaba niya kada oras. Okay? So, the answer is negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit. So, yan yung degrees na ibinababa niya kada oras. Practice time. So, guys, I want you to go back and answer again all the word problems na sinagutan natin kanina, okay? So, I want you to check kung natutunan nyo or marunong na kayo mag-apply ng skills and knowledge nyo about dividing integers in real-life scenarios. In any case na medyo nahihirapan pa kayo to apply that, I want you to go back to my previous video about integers And i-check nyo ulit so that you can easily apply that in real life scenarios. Okay?